Shalom everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I'll be sharing you the conjugation of infinitive to blame or to accuse. In Hebrew, lihashim. Now we are going to study how to say to present tense, past tense, and future tense according to the gender. Okay guys, bonatkel. Present tense, blame, for masculine singular, maashim. Ani, maashim. Ata, maashim. Hu, maashim. Present tense, blame, for feminine singular, maashima. Ani, maashima. At, maashima. Hi, maashima. Present tense, blame, for masculine plural or mixed gender, maashimim. Anachnu, maashimim. Atem, maashimim. Hem, maashimim. Present tense, blame, for feminine plural, maashimot. Anachnu, maashimot. Aten, maashimot. Hen, maashimot. For past tense, blamed. Heesyamti. Heesyamta. Heesyamt. Heesyim. Heesyima. Heesyamnu. Heesyamtem. Heesyamten. Heesyimu. Heesyimu. Okay guys, let's move to the future tense. For future tense, will blame. Ani, aashim. Ata, taashim. At, taashimi. Hu, yaashim. Hi, taashim. Anachnu, naashim. Atem, taashimu. Aten, taashemna. Hem, yaashimu. Hen, taashemna. Okay guys, this is the imperative. Imperative, blame, for masculine singular, haashem. Imperative, blame, for feminine singular, haashimi. Imperative, blame, for masculine plural, haashimu. Imperative, blame, for feminine plural, haashemna. Okay, this is then for today's vlog. I hope it helped you guys. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Guys, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next vlog. God bless you all. Lihitraot.